In continuation to my previous talk on the Book of Judgment, where Creator has given an indication as to what are His plans for Jehovah's kingdom on earth. It goes further ahead to say that till we are clean or cleared out of all our inhibitions and our actions against the moral values, unless we become spotless, white and clean in the service of the Almighty, we cannot withstand the light in the higher heavens. In fact, we cannot even think of being led to the higher heavens because of the theory of vibrations that I have talked about. So unless we are able to vibrate at a higher level, we cannot sustain ourselves in the higher frequency. It further goes ahead to say that all brotherhoods on earth which are founded on any idols in the heaven will not stand as time goes by. And even when we see over here all the prophets after whom religions have started, and they have come up with all kind of brotherhoods and all, a few years after the wise person had passed away, and maybe in another 10-15 years, the whole of his establishment comes to nothing, because people try to take advantage of the situation with physical and earthly gains, as well as they are not able to sustain the light which was transmitted by the earlier wise person during his lifetime. And these days, when we see reports in newspapers about all kind of wrong behavior of people in all religions, and then they are being brought to light, and they are being brought to justice. But all this is in our sense, people who have gone through OSP, that this is wrong behavior, and this is not in keeping with the highest light of the Almighty, which we all of us have to live. This chapter further goes ahead to say how is a man graded. It says that he who serves himself 3/4 and others 1/4 shall stand grade 25. He who serves himself 1/4 and others 3/4 shall stand grade 75. And he who serves himself only shall stand grade 1. Why grade 1? Is that because there is inside him, there is a spark which is the Creator himself. So one grade goes to that, not because of what that man has made out of himself, there he gets 0, but because of the presence of the Creator in this person, he is graded 1. Grade 1 is on the earth. Grade 50 is midway between the earth and the emancipated heavens and etheria. Grade 25 is 1/4 on the way up from the earth towards etheria, but grade 75 is 3/4 of the way up towards etheria, and so on. Intermediate grades and places of ascent corresponding to like manner. But grade 99 is the highest atmospheric grade preparatory to entrance into the company of the all pure in spirit. It could take a few hundred years for a person in the spiritual life, and it could take hundreds and hundreds of years. And we read in OSP that there are Etherean gods, people who are Nirvanian chiefs and Orion chiefs who may be around for maybe thousands of years to reach to that level. A man may be wise as to books, philosophy, mathematics, poetry, and great learning, and yet he could be very low grade in his spirit. But a man may know little of all such knowledge and may be poor also, but by hardship and experience develop a sympathy and good works to be done to others, and he could be very high in grade as to his spirit. So it may also be with spirits who manifest through us as great orators, that they shall stand even in the lowest grade in heaven, because they are only good about talking and not good about doing and living up to the highest light. You have the scales in your own hands, and sooner or later we have to weigh and justify ourselves, and whether we are preparing ourselves and whether we are on the right path or not. If you are a rich man and contribute to a house for orphans or for helpless and aged who cannot help themselves, it raises you in grade. But to the extent that you do this for the applause of men, you detract from the rate of your beneficence. So we see name boards and signs of sponsors of particular places of worship. People give money or give large donations, but it is to put their name on the board. So according to OSP, this is a very wrong thing, because at the end of the whole thought process, the whole beginning and the ending of it is to justify either yourself when you are alive or your father or grandfather in whose name you are donating the money. So this whole issue is a very complicated one, and is the value judgment that we have made, and it is when you look in the light of OSP, we understand that this is a totally wrong concept. It further goes ahead to say that all charity done either by individuals or by organizations, they tend to lower the self-respect of the person who has received the donation. Hence, it is not considered to be a good practice. Instead, that person should be helped out, his grades to be raised, he is to be given additional knowledge and training and learning, by which he will be able to stand on his own legs, make himself self-sufficient, and similarly help others in the way that he has been helped by others. Thank you. More in the next one.